This studio is a study of sensorial approaches to ecoscapes in the city of Miami. The studio was taught by Professor Park and Professor Farley. Miami is a perfect place to explore sensorial adaptations in architecture. The tropical climate provides opportunity to use sensors as a way to incorporate dynamic and efficient systems into design. This site in particular uses the existing infrastructure of a parking garage on Northeast 2nd Street and Northeast 2nd Avenue in downtown Miami to create a rooftop garden and restaurant. Parking garage infrastructure is strong and underused in Miami, so implementing new programs into these structures provides more diverse and sustainable opportunities where the natural elements to be used. This proposal introduces the use of natural energy from the sun and rain to power itself and help the rooftop garden thrive. Using the southeast corner of the roof, only 50 parking spaces will be compromised. The sun can be used most effectively in this quadrant of the lot while providing the best views of downtown as well. In the summer, the sun shines evenly throughout the roof. In the winter, it is important for the garden to be located in the south region of the roof because of the sun path angle throughout the day. The design incorporates a water collection system and a living wall to create an environment that encourages sustainability practices through visible methods of design. These visible elements will serve as education for the guests. People who come will be able to physically see how the natural elements are being used to power the restaurant and keep the plants healthy. The dynamic cycle of water will reflect the new era of dynamic design that more efficiently uses energy. Programmatically, the garden restaurant is divided into 4 main areas. There is the main entrance from the elevator, the fish tanks, the bar, and the garden and main seating area. The garden and main seating area is subdivided into areas based on the type of plant. As people enter the garden area, they will decide where to sit based on the type of fruits and vegetables they want to pick for the chef to cook for their meal. Vertically, the elements that need sun and water will be on the top of the roof, along with some parking and outdoor eating area. The level underneath will contain the kitchen and an indoor eating area for guests who choose not to eat on the top level. The first main area is the entrance out of the elevator. Here's the current condition of the location where the main entrance will go. It is evident that this space is underutilized and that the natural elements could be capitalized on. The proposed entrance will be covered by a glass rain collector that will show the process of rain collection and provide a cover for the main entrance, while allowing light to come through and a view of the sky to be visible. It is at this point that the host or hostess will explain the concept of the rooftop garden restaurant and help the guests choose a seating area based on their interest of food group. The second main area is the bar. The current view of downtown Miami from the proposed bar area is not appreciated because there are minimal reasons for people to travel to the top of this garage. The rooftop garden and restaurant will encourage people to travel to the top of the garage and enjoy the views of the city. The bar will serve as a waiting area for guests while their food is being prepared or while they wait for a table. Herbs from the garden will be used in the drinks, and there will be an opportunity to mingle with other guests on the rooftop. The bar will also be covered by a rain collection roof that is identical to the one at the entrance. At night, the bar will yield incredible panoramic views of downtown Miami and will allow people to look up at the stars through the transparent rain collection roof. The third main area is the fish tank area. The current view from the fish tank area is the highest point of the garage and has great potential to use the views to its advantage. The proposed fish tank area will be a place for people to pick their own fish that the chef will prepare. There will be a staff member who will catch the specific type of fish that the guest wants based on the tank and size that the guest chooses. The tanks are directly behind the bar, which provides an opportunity for people to pick their own fish while they enjoy a cocktail under the rain collection roof. The fourth and final main area is the garden and main seating area. The current condition of this space has harsh sun, but incredible views. To deal with the sun in the space, umbrellas that open and close will be located throughout the garden to provide protection for the guests of the garden. Once the desired fruits and vegetables are picked by the guests, they will be given to the chef, and a dish will be prepared using the hand-picked crops and the fish that was caught from the tanks above. The natural elements will be emphasized for the concept to succeed. In Miami, there is 52 inches of rain per year, and the vegetables need about 50 inches of water per year, so the watering system will be almost completely self-sustainable. There will be a system of water sensors and tanks that collect the water and either water the plants or store the water based on the soil sensors. This will efficiently water the plants only when they need water through an irrigation system with valve water releases for maximum control over the different areas of the garden. The garden will use the natural slope of the parking garage and the slopes of the water collection roof without having to continuously use energy pump water to the plants. When water is stored for later use, pumps will be powered by solar panels placed on the north side of the site. Soil is also a major consideration because of its weight. The rooftop garden will take the place of 50 cars, which weigh approximately 210,000 pounds. The amount of soil needed will be just around the same weight, which means no additional infrastructure must be added, so the roof can be easily retrofitted. The soil sensors will control the irrigation valves in the system that release water to the needed areas of the garden. When the soil sensor is dry, the water will be released from the pump to water the plants, and when the plant receives enough water, the valve will shut off. This will allow for the most effective use of water throughout the garden. Ideally, this concept can be used as a typology all over the city and the world. In Miami alone, there are many opportunities for this concept of a rooftop garden restaurant to succeed as an urban ecoscape. Thank you.